The average household spends over $200 annually replacing a single blown-out light bulb. Light bulbs are an essential part of our daily lives, illuminating our homes, offices, and public spaces. However, when one blows out, it's not just an inconvenience, but also a significant expense. In fact, according to the United States Energy Information Administration, the average household spends over $200 annually replacing a single blown-out light bulb. This staggering figure highlights the need for efficient and cost-effective solutions to extend the lifespan of light bulbs. In this video, we'll explore the world of quick DIY repairs and home fixes, focusing on the humble light bulb. We'll delve into the mechanisms that cause light bulbs to fail and learn how to identify and address these issues. With a few simple tools and techniques, you can extend the lifespan of your light bulbs and save money in the long run. But before we begin, let's take a closer look at the anatomy of a light bulb. A standard light bulb consists of a filament, a glass bulb, and a base that screws into a socket. When the filament is heated to a high temperature, it glows, producing light. However, this process also generates heat, which can cause the filament to burn out. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some light bulbs can last up to 25 times longer than others? It all comes down to the type of filament used and the quality of the manufacturing process. Let's explore the different types of filaments and their characteristics. For instance, incandescent bulbs use a thin wire filament, which is prone to burning out quickly. In contrast, LED bulbs use a semiconductor material that can last up to 50,000 hours. But what happens when a light bulb does blow out? Is it simply a matter of replacing it with a new one, or are there other factors at play? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at the common causes of light bulb failure. One of the main reasons is poor quality, which can lead to a shorter lifespan. Another factor is the type of socket used. Some sockets are designed for specific types of bulbs. When you use the wrong bulb in a socket, it can cause the filament to overheat and burn out. But that's not the only factor. Did you know that even the environment can affect a light bulb's lifespan? For instance, high temperatures, humidity, and exposure to direct sunlight can all take a toll on a bulb. So, what can you do to extend the lifespan of your light bulbs? The first step is to identify the type of filament used and the quality of the manufacturing process. You can do this by checking the packaging or consulting the manufacturer's website. Next, make sure to use the correct socket for the bulb and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or direct sunlight. Finally, consider upgrading to an energy-efficient LED bulb, which can last up to 50,000 hours. By following these simple tips, you can save money and reduce waste in the long run. But what if you're not sure whether a light bulb is faulty or just needs a little TLC? In that case, you can try the simple fix-it method. Replace the bulb and see if it makes a difference. However, if the problem persists, it may be worth considering a more comprehensive solution. One option is to upgrade to a smart bulb, which can monitor its own energy usage and lifespan. This can help you identify potential issues before they become major problems. Another option is to invest in a high-quality light fixture that is designed to last. By taking these proactive steps, you can reduce your reliance on disposable light bulbs and create a more sustainable future. In conclusion, extending the lifespan of light bulbs is a simple yet effective way to save money and reduce waste. By following these DIY tips and tricks, you can keep your lights shining bright for years to come. So, subscribe to our channel for more DIY repair tips and tricks, and don't forget to like and comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.